Hello guys, I'll be conducting a test with JBL GX602 and the front ones are stock for this Mitsubishi Mirage 2018. So as you can see, everything's in default settings for equalizer. And I'll start the test for the front speakers first. Alright, you heard it guys. So I think GBL won this competition. It's definitely much clearer than the stock ones. It sounds much clearer, it has more bass, and overall its performance is definitely much better than stocks. So I highly recommend the speakers. I'm planning to get the GTO 629 for the front speakers. Alright, that sums up the video. Cheers guys. Bye.